impossible, time and time before. You shook the foundation and opened every door. What looks delayed to me is right on time with you. So I'm standing